Hi, Whiskey 4, Mike Romeo Whiskey here. So today we're going to cover the GM function, or the group monitor function here on the FTM-400DR from Yaesu. So what is the GM function? So basically this function will automatically check to see if there's any stations that also have the GM function in operation on the same frequency that are within your communication range. The unit will then display the position and distance and other information for each group member call sign on that screen. So besides letting you know who's within range of communication, this function is also convenient for instantly checking the relative positions of all members in the group. So, without reading the manual here word for word, why don't we actually give this a go? So right now on the FTM-400D, I'm on 147.525, which I may have said in earlier videos is basically the simplex frequency that I'll be using when I have this unit turned on, once it's mounted in my car, or even for home use. The reason I'm using a different frequency than, say, the national simplex calling frequency is, I really don't think that people are going to want to hear that kind of data noise in the background. So I'm all in favor of looking for a national simplex frequency for the digital voice here. So, and I've seen 147.525 being proposed on other sites. So what we'll do here is with the FT1D, we're on the same frequency, and so we're going to turn on group monitor mode on that. So that is now looking for other radios in the facility. So we're going to turn group mode on here. It just sent out a signal, so it should get something back in a minute. Okay, so you just heard it make a beep, and unfortunately with the video here it's kind of hard to see that because of the glare on the screen, but let's see what I can do here. So you should see W4MRW-7 has come up, and it's obviously very close by with the full red bar there. So let's bring this back over here. So, what can I do with that now? Well, what I can do is I can select that station, and then we can hit display. Now if I had GPS turned on both of these units, which I currently do not, it would be giving me a compass and distance heading for that station. So let's go back. Pressing the display button there. Oop. I have quite a few options on this one set up, so we'll just cycle through until we get back to the main VFO, and then we can go back to GM. We'll do that one more time. There we go, there we are again. Now, so what happens if, for example, I'm on the other radio here and I'm going to turn off group monitor. So I've now turned it off on the FT1D. So after a while here you should see that this will disappear off this screen. There you go. So I haven't actually disappeared. I guess I go grey, and I'm no longer in range because I'm not on the other radio doing group monitor. So on here, I'll just continue just to poll to see if anybody's in range. See the little red blinking icon there next to GM indicates that we're transmitting. And obviously there's nobody else in range right now. So what I'll do, just one more time, just put that down here, we'll turn that feature back on the FT1D, and there we go, we are green again and we have a full red bar. Okay, well I hope you found this very short video useful on the group monitor function, just for people. That's the button down here. Good. Used to this camera. There we go, down there. You press that once, it turns it on. Press it again, turns it off, and it returns you back to your home display there. Okay. Alright, well thank you very much for your time, and 73s, this is W4MRW.